Welcome back to Free Your Mind. I'm Marcia, and today we're exploring grounded purpose. Purpose is practical. It arrives as a small next step, not a distant banner. Today, ask, what one humble action will align with love? Listen for the tiny yes. Build the temple of purpose brick by simple brick. Let's begin our journaling practice. Our first question in this moment, what is one area of your life that feels ready for a tiny shift? Take some time to write. Next, what is the most humble version of that shift? Something you can do today. Visualize this simple step. Visualize your heart. What does the tiny yes feel like in your body when you think of this step? Observe the sensation. What resistance comes up? Acknowledge it with love, then return to your tiny yes. Write what you feel. Finally, commit. Write down exactly when and where you will take this one simple brick of an action, anchoring your light. I would love to hear your single step. Share it in the comments to anchor that light. Every step matters. If you're ready to dive deeper into your soul blueprint, find me at yatemaninternational.com. I'm here for you. Thank you for being here, Starseed. Keep building your temple, brick by simple brick. Stay in your glow.